What's up, everybody? It's Frankie over from Xtreme. We just got done with this Mustang 5.0 back here. We went crazy on it. We did a wet sand on the paint. We did a 2-stage paint correction after that to enhance that gloss, try to bring that paint back so it's factory finish. We topped it off with a 3-year ceramic coating on the red paint, the black trim, everything. Apart from that, we went ahead and did a full interior detail. Again, we're trying to get this car looking like it just came off the lot, and I think we did a really good job. Everything cleaned up super nicely on the inside. Back here in the cargo area as well, everything looks super good. For the age of this vehicle, it looks amazing. You know, the guys did a really great job on this. If you guys are interested in watching the whole process, we are putting together a YouTube video, so head on over to our YouTube channel, check it out. We have the full process on there. We'll catch you guys next time.
Kisses